Yo, what is going on? It is Thursday, May 28th, 10:34 a.m. Today I did not take a trade, and it honestly was not my best day performance from a psychological aspect. Wait, I think I said that wrong. My best performance from a psychological aspect, whatever it was not that well today. And let's get into it. So coming into the day, what I wanted to see, honestly, was just a possible short to this data low right here. This data low, if you see right here, we had all of this news at 8:30, and I would have just loved to idealistically. Where's that one tool? Is it in the drawing? I want that one tool. That one tool. Is it in here? I don't know where that tool is at, to be 100. I think it's path. Right, so right, what I wanted to see was this, right? I wanted to see this 9:30 open higher. We come down, right? Just Judas. We start pumping lower, and then around here we manipulate back up, get an inverse here, and then do this. All right, how the fuck do I get off of this? How do I get off of this? Okay, right, like essentially get an inverse in this leg, but we never got that. That was my ideal start of the day. We just straight down poured down to this data low. There was honestly 2 or 3 setups that could have been taken. All would have been break even or an L. And it's not about if these are break evens or losses. This is more so right now about seeing my setup and entering on it. One of them might have been a break even. I need to learn the market order. So if I market ordered, yes, in that exact moment, it would have been a break even. Had I limit ordered like I have been doing and not supposed to be doing, it would have played out. Now let's dabble into these trades. Like I said, we had then came down, swept data low, where ES did the exact same nothing. ES did not take it, so we did SMT with data low, so that adds 2 extra confluence right here. This is the trade where it kind of fucked me up today. If you see right here, right, we have these equal lows, whatever. No, we have this 5-minute gap to like be inverse, right? Which we don't right here. But this is the trade that fucked me up today. So if we take a look, yes, we sweep out data low, and we start nicely pumping up. We then retrace. Just this, yes, this is a small internal range, but it's still a retracement into EQ of the leg. We get a nice, beautiful 30-second gap with strong displacement, equal highs. Buy side would have been my TP, a 5-minute above after sweeping out sell side, rejecting off of this internally, SMTing with the data low. I believe there was also an internal SMT here. Let's fact check that. Wait for it to load so it can give me the 100%. I believe there was an internal SMT here as well. Yes, there was an internal SMT right here. Wait for it to load. Internal SMT, EQ of range, external SMT with data low. We had that 30-second inverse with good displacement, right? So boom, you'd think, okay, cool. How many points is this? All right, cool. You market order. Bruh. Sell stop around. My sell stop personally would have been like right here. So sell stop, buy stop, and what would have happened? It would have ran immediately to stop loss. Now that I've seen this not play out where we had 1 minute equal highs, buy side, we had the 5-minute above. I like that trade the most. Why didn't I take it? There was news in 3 minutes. Orange folder news. So I was kind of being picky today just because overall price has not been delivering the way that it should. In, let's say we go back a month or two, this is immediately delivering. There's no hesitation here. This is zooming through that. This is even getting to that 5-minute. But now, as you can see the way price has been delivering, it adds hesitation on top of the hesitation I already had within, which is my biggest problem. Now, what we see here, excuse me, is another opportunity right here, right? This is the trade that I'd say was my fade. My big fade, right? But why did I not take this trade? If you take a look here, I wanted to see this 5-minute get inversed, right? I wanted to see this 5-minute get inverted at the same time as this 30-second. However, if we take a look, the 5-minute doji did not get inverted, and what did this end up doing? It started pumping up super freaking nicely. This was 10 a.m. news right here, which I would have used as a break-even point. That's the main reason I like this. Again, here is the thing with this trade. Had I market ordered like I'm supposed to, buy stop would have had to been a little bit above here. Sell stop would have been right here. Oh shit, not sell stop limit, just sell stop. Right? This. Okay, once we take that 1030 high, right? Boom. Now I go break even. Right? So boom, I'm BE. Stops me BE to the tick and then runs to take profit. As you can see right there, right? Now, if we go back, because I'm supposed to market order that, right? If we go back and I limit order it, oh shit, hold up. Can it not lag? If we go back and I limit order it, oh, something like this. Boom, once we take this, break even. Oh, it still would have stopped me out. No? Because my limit was right here. Yeah, this doesn't stop me. You get the point. You fucking get the point, Nick. You fucking get the point. All right, right? And then moving forward, this was the next setup that I did end up fading, was this long to yesterday's AM high. Why the fuck is it all the way over here? It was to this yesterday's AM high. We came and rejected out of this 5 minute. We had... Let it load, because I believe there was an internal SMT in here as well. Also, we had this news agreement get reached, so we pump up just 100 points in 1 minute. Fuck, or 30 seconds. Even worse. Fucking stupid. So, was there not an internal... There's an internal SMT right here with this swing low, which honestly should have been enough for me to take it. We reject off a CE of this 1 minute. We reject out of this 5 minute. We invert this lower 1 minute. We invert this upper 1 minute as well right here. And then we get the 30 second, which is the most premium one to invert. I just wish these were 1 minute equal highs, because I would have 100% taken it. And this would have been the play. Would have been like this. Honestly, I would have put my stop loss right here. Take profit right here. Buy limit. Tagged in. Take profit, stop loss right here. And break even once we take those. And it would have broken me even. And now we're at, yep. So, yeah, it was really just this play, which honestly would have probably been a break even. But again, it's more so just about reacting and being true to what I know I need to work on, opposed to having fear and all of that. At the end of the day, though, being 110% honest, none of these trades, especially the second one, which is the only one that had the probability of playing out, was an A-rated trade, I'd say. Maybe the third one that was break even might have said A-rated, but there was nothing internally that gave me the reasoning to want to continue higher after ES had already swept that all-time high. On the second one, it wasn't bad, but again, like, look at this PA right here. We see the failed delivery here. We fail to invert the 5 minute here. I'll fucking doji it. And then just look at the 1 minute, right? Again, is 15 minutes of this, is this the price action I want to enter in? Idealistically, not. No, it's not. So it's not like my fades before to where it's fucking me up. It's still just needed to enter, man. That's all that it comes down to. But yeah, tomorrow's Friday. We're 1-0 this week. So let's just continue the momentum. Let's continue the patience. Let's continue to be productive. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. And this will all play out. I'm thinking of buying more evals down the line, like next week. And yeah, so peace, love, positivity. Take care, man. Just gonna continue to work on my flaws, and everybody who's watching this, you do the same. Mwah, mwah.